Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making lavash. It's a fun name to say, lavash. Really what it is, it's an unleavened cracker bread that you have seen in restaurants. You know, it's the cracker bread that's usually covered in lots of different seasonings like poppy seeds and sesame seeds, salt, garlic, you name it. Choices are endless. And it's usually standing up in a glass. You break it, you eat it, you put a spread on it. It is just purely delicious. We're going to be making that today. It is unleavened, no yeast required, super simple ingredients, comes together quickly, and then that's it. You're done. We're also making it because I'm gonna make lavash and eat it all up. So few ingredients with milk in a cup and send all other breads on their way. What? I am so not going to do that. So not. All those other breads, come to me. 3½ cups all-purpose flour. Add 1½ teaspoon salt. 3/4 teaspoon sugar. Mix together. Add in 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, room temperature. We're going to mix that in. You can use your fingers to do this. You can use a pastry blender. You can use 2 knives. We're going to get this to a consistency where it's like coarse cornmeal. Add 1 large egg to a cup of milk. Stir together. Add to the dry ingredients. Mix until combined. The dough should be smooth and tacky, which it definitely is. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Once your dough has finished resting, go ahead and cut it into 4 separate pieces. Get some flour on some parchment paper. Then we're going to roll it out until it's so very thin, so it's going to have that nice crack to it. We're going to put some egg wash on top and then some very special seasonings. These are the works. Mine has poppy seeds, sesame seeds, salt, garlic, all sorts of yummy things in it, like everything bagel seasoning. You put on whatever seasoning you want. Let's do this. Add a tablespoon of water to 1 egg white. This is our egg wash. This is a 1/2 cup of seasoning, which is a lot. It was pretty much the entire little jar. Go ahead, sprinkle that on top. Use the rolling pin once again just to get it into the dough. Move to your baking sheet. It is ready. Into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're really brown and crispy. And then we're going to take them out, let them cool for a bit, and break them into pieces. Time's up. They're nicely browned and they look crisp. Let them cool for a moment, then we'll break it up into pieces and eat it. Look how lovely this turned out. Now for the fun part. We get to break it into whatever size pieces we so choose. All the better for dipping or putting any kind of spread on. Possibilities are endless. Lavash, oh yes. Super crispy on the outside. Look at all of the seasoning on top. Only one thing left to do. Let's taste it. This is great. Comparable to any of those crackers you would get in a nice restaurant. This is them. You can make your own. You can put whatever seasoning you want on top of it. All the better. If I can make lavash for the first time, so can you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram for so much more.